Hello, it's Todd from UK Radiators.
Hello.
So previously you saw me bring in the delivery, mark up where the radiators are going. We brought the radiators up into the right room. I've got it here now and we're gonna get it unpackaged. So as you can see, everything's so well packaged.
It's protected.
It's like, you know, we've got this plastic wrap around it. We've got cardboard boxes. The boys in there are saying it's brilliantly packaged. I've got loads of polystyrene and everything. I will open one up in a minute. But what I wanted to show you here was just like, even the accessories, like how well packaged they are. So let's slice this open. You see, I really love like the branding, UK Radiators branding. Got our valves here, and as you open these up, we've got all of our instructions. And they're just so perfectly protected. And what a lovely, lovely looking valve that is.
Wow.
That's going to look really nice on these Rads. And then we've got the pipe covers that go over the top of the pipe work as well. So that's really nice. I'm really, really impressed with that.
We happy? Yeah, we happy.
The touch of class your radiator needs. It's nice, isn't it? And these are the pipe covers as an additional option. Look at this, again, really well packaged. There we go. So that's really nice. So that's going to slide over the copper. And then we have the little pipe collars too. So as you can see, if you want, you can just stick that under there and then the pipe sleeve will drop down onto it. Really, really nice.
Absolutely amazing.
So once you've unpackaged it, you just want to quickly open it up and just inspect your radiator. Make sure there's no dinks, any paint blemishes. They've kindly made these in. These are the brackets that we need. There's a little cable tied on each side. So we're just gonna have a little look, flip that up in the right location and just inspect it and make sure everything's okay.
Look, Watson, look.
If you do find any dinks, please give the guys at UK Radiators an email and I'm sure they'll be happy to help you. So now I've inspected my radiator. I've checked it everywhere. It's all looking good and perfect. I've taken the brackets off the edge, just laid them out. As you can see, we've got 6 here and we've got a fixing kit in this box. So these are the fixing kits that we want to be using. And remember, if you like the video,
big fan,
give it a little thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
Join us.